Ako po si Paulo Diet, Subli Operator ng LCC Legazpi. Nag-run po yung machine ng 7 days na may total of 57 meters. Printer head clean. Punas ng capping at wiper. Nozzle test. Ink system ay tama lang. Free-stock disposal every Wednesday. EBR po, naka 220 volts. Ito naman po yung inks namin. Sa left side po yung used and sa right side po yung unused. So dyan po muna nakalagay yung supply paper po namin. Consumable monitoring ng Sayan. Magenta, yellow, black, and yung supply paper po. Ito naman po yung daily output monitoring. Tapos po yung supply daily checklist.